Hi, my name's Cody Williams. I'm the inventor of VentoRake. It's a battery-powered, backpack-worn leaf rake and vacuum, mulcher, bagger, and blower all in one. It was just a fall day. I was out raking leaves in the backyard and spent hours raking. And I thought, this is crazy. I'm out here all day doing this stuff. I wish somehow I could attach the leaf rake to this vacuum and get it all done at once. And that's the idea was born. The rake itself is the real differentiator in this product because there's no one else using an actual leaf rake along with the vacuum. And the tines of the rake go down into your lawn. They flip the leaves up and back into the intake of the vacuum, and you're all set. I mean, it just rakes every leaf. The great thing about VentoRake is that it's not just a fall product. It also easily switches to a blower, so you can use it year-round. The VentoRake, it's going to come with the VentoRake itself, and included in that will be the leaf rake and vacuum, the different rake heads that we'll offer, leaf vacuum bags, 2 batteries, and the rapid charger. So you'll have continuous runtime. I think that a big benefit with VentoRake is the time going out with the leaf rake and manually raking your yard. You plan on being out there a couple hours, and with the VentoRake, putting on this battery-powered machine and going out there and raking your yard in half the time and having it bagged up, set it at the curb, it's really easy. And I think people will be really excited about it.